Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news about the upcoming Vivo X Flip. So according to the latest leak, the Vivo X Flip is predicted to have a 682p secondary display that's going to be around the same size and shape as that of the Oppo Find N2 Flip, but with a landscape orientation relative to its hinge. That's definitely an interesting design choice. But wait, there's more. The main folding display is rumored to be even more impressive. The prolific leaker Digital Chat Station describes a device with a main screen of 6.8 inches 120Hz Full HD Plus display and a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And it's going to have a center-mounted hole-punch selfie camera that's going to be one big and beautiful screen. Now we don't have any information about the shooter's resolution yet, but we do know that the X Flip is expected to ship with a 12MP Sony IMX663 paired with a newer IMX866 in a round dual rear camera hump found next to its aforementioned cover display. So you can expect some stunning photos and videos from this device. And if that wasn't enough, the Vivo X Series' alleged inaugural flip is also now tipped to launch with a relatively large 4400 mAh battery that charges at the same 44 watt rate of its possible Oppo counterpart. So you won't have to worry about running out of battery quickly. Now we are not sure when this phone is going to be released, but we are definitely excited to see what Vivo has in store for us. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this upcoming device. Are you excited about it? Do you have any concerns? We would love to hear your thoughts. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.